Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another episode. A few years ago, I traveled to Istanbul, Turkey, and while I was there, I wanted to see if I could find a clinic to do professional bloodletting. Essentially, it means putting leeches on your body, and to be honest, I was very nervous because I had never done something like this before. But I had done a lot of research and I saw that this is a medical procedure that had been going on for thousands and thousands of years and spanning various cultures all over the world. Of course, the science is a little bit weak about whether or not it does anything, but I felt like I wanted to try it for myself. So I found a real clinic through a friend of mine in Istanbul. We made an appointment and we decided to do the leeches. But they also told me, since you've got some back pain and some other issues in your shoulders, why don't we also try Chinese cupping? Which I had done before and I was totally okay with. But this time the doctor said, it's going to be different than what you've done before. I'm going to make small incisions and we're going to bloodlet at the same time as we do the Chinese cupping. So needless to say, I was a little bit nervous. Just keep in mind a few things. There's not going to be a lot of talking during the video because honestly, I just want you to watch it without me putting a lot of input. I also had some copyright issues with music that was actually playing at the clinic, so I had to cut that out. But I hope you enjoy the video, and if you're interested in the procedure, you can post a comment down below. I try to reply to all the comments. So let's get into it.
This part is the last blood stream goes. There are other spots for example, for migraine, they use these spots. For headaches, they use these spots, but for one session, this one is enough.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
What you feel?
I feel like suction.
Yeah.
Suction, yeah.
And like the one in my lower back feels really good. Because I have a lot of pain there.
Alttaki çok ağrı varmış, orası çok iyi geldi diyor.
terrifying.
Yeah. Bu kanın damarına dolaşan bir kanla ilgisi yok.
Okay.
Yani tamamen o bölgede staz, durgun ve ağır metal ve toksinlerin yoğun olduğu sadece kan alıyoruz.
Okay. This blood is totally different from the blood that's already in your veins. This is already a dirty blood.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
How we can call it. It's some kind of toxicated with heavy metals and toxins, so it's different from the blood in your veins. It's static blood, something like.
Yani biz o klasik derler ya, Kızılay'dan mesela kan verdik aynı şey değil mi? Aynı şey değil.
Okay.
Farklı.
So it's totally different from giving blood sample or draining blood from your veins. So the effect is totally different.
Tek seansta %35 oranında ağır metaller vücut terk ediyor.
The main purpose is actually correcting the lymphatic drainage of the body. You know, which is toxicated by these heavy metals and something. This blood is the main blood that's toxic totally for the body. So in one session, nearly 35% of all these toxins are cleared from the body in one session.
Okay.
The color of the blood is changing with course of time because the first blood is the most heavily toxicated blood. It's more red. Now it's going more, clear red.
Yani hani açıldığını gösteriyor. Artık tıkanıklığı açtık, alttan artık sağlıklı len sıvısı
And
gelmeye
this
başlıyor.
means that the new lymphatic drainage fluid is coming behind,
Oh, wow.
and this toxicated blood is taken out.
Bu kadar da çok etkili bir tedavi.
Even tomorrow you will see the effect. This therapy is that effective, says, and that fast.
Çıktığını gözlemliyoruz. Dokunun içerisinden birikmiş metan gazı. Çöplük gibi düşünün. Vücudun çöplüğünü temizliyoruz çünkü.
Yeah,
Gaz
just
çıkıyor.
cleaning up the garbage containers of the bodies. Sometimes, in some patients, we can see there's methane gas coming from these areas.
No way.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very interesting. I will send you the pictures later.
Please do.
At the very bad, but it's okay right now.
Yeah, okay. Right now it's okay.
Az yakabilir.
Evet.
Okay, it may hurt a little bit.
It stings.
It's a disinfectant or something.
It's okay.
You want to see the blood drain? You want to see?
Sure. Oh my
Look at the
goodness.
color.
Are you oh, why is it so clumpy like
Yeah.
that? Oh my
Because
god.
it's all dirty and toxicated.
It's like liver.
Oh my god.
Yeah, just like liver. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's not normal blood.
Okay. Wow, that's
Oh,
crazy.
Kontrol eder. Ona göre yapacağız.
There are some other spots that are not related with the knees, but these spots are also important to heal your knees. So additional points below your knees, they mark.
Little bit. Okay. That's
Yeah. No, it's
Do you have any pain, anything?
just a little weird. Something's crawling on me. Yeah, and then a small little bite.
yapıyor. Ve 36 tane segmenti var. İçlerine doldurarak ili gönderiyor.
Oh, it's so gross.
Pozisyon alıyor.
Oh, it feels.
Sülük boyları gayet kifayetle azaltabilirim sayılarını çünkü tolerasyonu şey olabilir. Kızlar şey yapalım onlardan
Do you feel anything bad or
No, it just I can feel him
Yeah.
squirming on me.
koyalım.
just about the feeling? No problem.
Like a little pinch, that's all.
Some leeches doesn't like the perfume or the body area, so it's up to the leech actually. Whether he likes your blood or your skin.
Or your face.
Your face. It's just about attitude, you know. It's not about the face. Not the German style.
Yeah. that's-
German style is not his style.
Yeah.
Turkish style is better.
I prefer when they make like the kofta.
Köfte.
Yeah. Or like
This one is getting bigger. Second.
this one.
Tamam. Tamam.
Oh, I can see him
Hatta şey de
pulsing.
tamam. Öyle çünkü tamam. Hafif tamam. Onu geri yedik tamam ona göre.
Yeah, they are pulsing. Little pumps.
So this medicine's been used for 5,000 years, huh?
Yeah. Cupping yaptığımız o cupping tedavi etmiş. Bütün hastalıklar ne olursa olsun onu tedavi
For a
etmişler.
certain period, cupping is the only way of healing people for any type of disease. In China, in Greece, in
Yani
India.
Indian.
So that's his fluids he's leaking on you?
Now it's
Oh
finished.
wow. Oh wow. You just take it off like that.
No, it just dropped himself.
Oh, it took himself off.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
He said, I'm full. Say goodbye.